Asibonga kakhulu Maswati Lamahle sesingena kuyinto enizabadethu temidlalo kanti-ke umnumzane Robert Magongo lo wakwaba lilunga lephalamende laseMotshani aphindze-ke yatiwe ukuthi ukhona ecenjini lembabane Swallows ukuthi kukhona libandla lema-elders kuleli cembu leliholwa-ke nguye njengasihlalo kanti-ke Magongo uthi lo libekade kuyatiwa njengasihlalo wema-elders bona abamade njengawo ama-elders embabane Swallows sinembiko.
Babe Genenza, Babe Matuni, Babe Kumalo, Babe Matuni, Babe Sopo, Babe Zambi. Babe Nkos. Singema elders embabane Swallows. Sicela wenda i-announcement la ukuthi mhla 23 March we took i-resolution ukuthi siyasakhela obviously kube ngilatelayo because one lama structures yekabemi kahle so we understand ukuthi bekuna babengwenya bekadibida ukuthi elder embabane Swallows uchairman wayo futhi again so thina singema elders sikhanze ukuthi asikwadi lo so bese sakwenda-ke sigcine sesikhethe executive i-executive yakhona ime kanje mina ngi-chairman ema-elders Babe Geninza ungu-vice chairman Mapalane Babe Nkosi bese kuthi Babe Mathungu uli-member nalo ngekho la phindile wakandlangamandla so nabongani kule structure sema-elders so sifuna kwenda kube sobala ukuthi lo munye eceleni longakhuluma nizabantu ema-elders tabe akusiwe embabane Swallows amongst kulaba lebala so sifuna ukuqondisa lokho ukuthi thina nithi ema-elders embabane Swallows kuthiwa ngama-council of elders sikhona na-constitution hayi ukuthi siyadibeka into le-constitution lekhona ya-adoptha nga-2018 so ngiloko besibeka official ukuthi babengwenya.
Maswati Lamahle kulandzela ukuthi umnumzane Magongo abekele nankulumo umsakato bese ufuna ukuthola lithuba na governor wembabane Swallows umnumzane Sandile Zwane lungahambi ke edvan lohamba nawe lile wakamabuza bala emsakatweni Chayile Maswati dawusanza ukukhulumisana nabo ngive ukuthi ingabe wamangweni yini le engasinika yona ke ngenzaba yawo ke ema elders njengoba siyeva ukuthi sekunema elders ecenjini lembabane Swallows mangweni kwecala nje umbuto lendawo banawo ngicela kubuza ukuthi sikhona yini le structure sema elders ecenjini lembabane Swallows nekuthi yini futhi umsebenzi waso nangabe sikhona.
Ngiyabonga msakazi ngiyabonga Channel S ngicabanga ukuthi ngicela nje ngikubonga ngoba siyafika senjengoba nishayela nyalo siyafika sesichamukela ekucelebrating i-success embabane Swallows sibuya le kaBishop our president lapha ezulwini labe celebrate khona elders were represented by Babengwenya Lo also act as an acting president while our president is still busy. So ngiyakuva lo ngiyakubona lokushoko lapho ngiyakuva lokukhona lapha lokuvetako awu cha angikwade lo lesikhathi kothena ukuthi Babengwenya ngiyena bekangu u-chairman wema elders and ukuthi umuntu wasinotify ngalokuthi access and two Babengwenya futhi acting president njengoba nathi uthi president angasiye president nyalo nguye lo actor kwambeka kusa ethe party unjengemfana wabo babe Lukhele
mangweni indzaba yema elders icishe indzaba le bengathi ngivamise ukuyikhuluma la elihlelweni letemidlalo nangisabamba lihlelo letemidlalo ukuthi ingabe le structure sema elders siyakhumbula ukuthi lapha eminyakeni wabo 2012 2011 libe kathi ngomphathi wePremier League umnumzane Victor Gametsa aphinda abe ngomphathi welicembu lembabane Swallows wake wa interviewer nguNathi Hlophe emsakatweni bekuthi le structure sema elders bese kathi sikhona kulelinye ilicembu lapha kaManzini noma ngingete ngalisho namhlanje ngoba singakhuluma ngalo la sisho ukuthini le structure ngiyakhumbula ukuthi impendulo yakhe wathi structure sema elders structure lesingekho ebholeni etinyawo kumbabane Swallows structure lesingekho sindzaba ema elders sesikhona kusukela nini le structure lesingibabane Swallows njengoba ngiyeva ukuthi uyavuma lokuthi structure lesikhona manje awusadi lesiprince of Makongo.
Ngifuna ukuchaza ukuthi njengabe singiyavimbeka i-structure sema elders akusizo structure lesikhona ebholeni asikho club licensing asikho CAF it's a structure where thina sicabanga ukuthi simbabane Swallows sibancane we need boba bethu ukuthi libantu labadzala bahlele ekhaya sebaretire lesingakhona consulta kuwo akusiso structure lesebholeni asikho nje structure sena. That's why Victor Kamete may his soul rest in peace ebengakasifaki le structure but sasibuyisa thina after kushone Victor ukuthi okay asibina boba bedzala where we consult because noma singasebenza kanjani but uyathinga umuntu omdala ushekhaya nje umuntu omdala la ubuda khona but it's not ukuthi arane ema affairs embabane club not law so sifike ubese namuhla longanga acting president long chairman walama elders wase announce today le party nasikona khona ukuthi the structure lesi sesidissolve because ngiso lesikhoza ema problems ema teams nawusho ukuthi une team lenye somewhere ema teams ongakhoza ngale structure lesi because labantu abadala abaphumule sebadala abahlale kahle ekhaya balala iradio babukela iradio bayibukela iclub yabo nakunekhona lokufuna ukuthi maybe usito lesifundako le advice because umuntu omdala staff yakho ukuthi ubacela but in football there is no structure like elders you can go to CAF register and for CAF like CAF nyalo there is no structure like elders so nyalo the structure of Mbabane Swallows it does announce Babengweni I think maybe tomorrow or if you interview him but it's kanje president kuthi ema board of directors kuthi management kuthi supporters kuphele lapho kuthi bo coach kuthi in but istructure simbabana Swallows nalo kude ima elders la khona so we inhlanhla ukuthi we lucky thinelana sinemeli who can explain this thing better than me.
Ngiyakuva Mangweni cishe ungathi uhambisana nami ukuthi le structure kude kahle kodwa nini Mbabane Swallows kulandzela ukuthi kuhambe chairman nabe seniyabalanza abantu labadzala into khona consult ukuthi ngabe nicube kanibhekapi le namuhla uSteve Zolvile lona lebekathe ahola le structure lebe nisibekile ukuthi ngiso lesitaniketa ukuthi ingabe direction ngayithatha nibhekephi nisachubekane kurana iclub le bekabathembile futhi na president welicembu unyalo umnumzane Bhekile lesimbonile asemva kwelicembu ngesikhathi sonke nangesikhathi kumadima simbonile alisekela licembu nange umnumzane Makongo nyalo yavela uthi Babengwenya abamati abasat nale structure sakhe lebashow niyamati yini nini umnumzane Robert Makongo futhi nangabe nimati uyini ecenjini leMbabane Swallows.
Babe Makongo mina ngilomunye la ngirecruiter from enhlangano angithatha enhlangano beka part of the team le ngirecruiter beka khona vele khona uMbabane Swallows ngeke sikuphike lo but on the structure yeMbabane Swallows lo phethe kuMbabane bebeka phethe kuMbabane Swallows elders ngibabengwenya and babengwenya lokufuna sikwathi kuba ielder awutibeki kuba ielder ukuthi uhlala isikhathi singakanani umzala kangakanani wende ini kuMbabane Swallows babengwenya nguye the oldest sonke isikhathi lakubane vacuum babengwenya is always taken over that vacuum I maintain anikete lo thatha now Victor Kamete was appointed by yena babengwenya there was a vacuum nabhekisa imali nakuba ukhwesha lomunye ongena bhekisa imali there was a vacuum babengwenya was there to then appoint the other person to take over so angathi ke nyala kusina kusuka nyala ukuthi akasekho babengwenya ukuthi angaxoshwa ngibani babengwenya.
Ngemvumo yakho Mangweni ngicela kuva ukuthi ngabe umzane welile khona lapho angase weta khona kulokwendekile ukuthi ke okay kwangathi ke umzane welile sitawubana lithuba lokuthi sikhulumisane naye kumbe ngalesinye isikhathi njengoba isikhathi sami kwangase sesiyangishala kube magama egcina Mangweni lo ngawasho kulendzaba lesikhuluma ngayo namuhla.
Bengicela ukuthi umnikete asho le magama egcina yena welile.
Oh, okay. Ngidawusatha ke na i-microphone yami ngiyiphena. Mabuza. Na imbabane Swallows ivakala ukuthi inema elders. Ngiyeva ukuthi ongilomunye lobuke kakhulu kade indzaba temthetho ki imbabane Swallows. Nithini ngana kulokwentiwe ngumnumzane Magongo and ikhona intinyathelo leningatithatha kuloko.
Cha Msati lengingakusho nje ukuthi ibhola kunalokho kuthiwa i-club licensing ebholeni. And mawuya emafayileni kuyasho ukuthi ema-office bearers eclub ngumaphi la kumbabane Swallows nje mawuya emabhukwini lo ngiyena angipresident weclub mayi-register for le season ngibabe Absalom Mngwenya futhi ke lowo kumniketa emandla ngenje lo nemandla kumbabane Swallows ekwenta ema-decisions la affecta le club. So kungamangalisa ke longafika nyalo a dispute i-authority yababe Mngwenya njengoba Zwane asashilo ukuthi ema-elders bantu nje labadzala ekhaya lapho nje kude strainer ngestructure utasikhanza ukuthi i-council of elders inema decision making powers iyakhona ku-administrator irun i-club. Babe Magongo nje ngilumile simhloniphako la umbabane Swallows njengelisupporter nemlomdzala la but lesigaba lasatinika sona asisathi thina.
Njengoba sekanikile ke lesigaba nithini ne ansad lesigaba lesi ingabe ngeke yini ngalinyila ngasinibone nidonselana etinkantolo nganenzaba naye ngoba sikubonile kwenteke emacenjini lamanye lokuthi kusuke umsindvo ngayo lenzaba yema elders ukhanzise kuthiwe zibani akasuke esihlalweni kusho ema elders labathi bangema elders le ngishido nasekucaleni ukuthi angethembeni kule structure.
Neke ngayideka kakhulu le yekudonsisana. But ngisho nje ukuthi lapho bese kusebenza le wisdom ya Solomon kuthi lo nguye umnikati wemvana uyabona utawubonakala.
Okay, angibonga kakhulu umbukele ekhaya engicela ukuthi umnumzane owelile noma ngibe angibuyele kusandile Mr Mabuza ngiyabonga isikhathi sakho angibuyele kusandile ngicela usho amagaba ekugcina so sivalelisa emsakadweni.
Ngangigcina kubonga kakhulu kuba wemhlanje Bishop our president ukuthi since noma ngabe akekho esihlalweni sokuba ngu-president le club lena i-survive ngayo ngibabe wethu has done everything for the club and ngeke ukuthi ngiyale egcineni ngoba sekune glory sibona labantu labantu he has worked for this cup and sibonge ama sponsors ethu bo Eclipse sibonge ama sponsors ethu bo Upper Interior sibonge Aquili siyabonga kakhulu kubo bonke sibonga kakhulu kubo bonke nema supporters ethu sasupportile noma kulukhuni bekumadima but they were there behind us. Bengasindlela lelula lezi ngoba sinako sekunengomesha beyilikhuni beyimadima but siyabonga to everyone who contributed to this success.